so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's all, I think that she would see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face. She hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If purpose what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you live with me. You know